Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Instagram app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on your photo profile down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on posts and stories and comments. Just click on it. So then you just go down here. You keep going down. So then here until you will find here. So you will find here comments daily digest. Sorry. And here can you select who can comment it on the posts on your Instagram app. Here can you select. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.